Edgar Perez. Yes, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then after Perez, it's gonna be Napoleon, Sanchez, Fernandez, and Telsey. I don't have Noriega up here, Norma. I think I gave that back to you all.
Your Honor, this is for Edgar Perez.
Thank you. Court is calling 2025 CR 003-228, State versus Edgar Perez. Can I have parties announce?
Agent Perez for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Perez?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm all right so far.
All right.
Yeah. Looking forward for today, man. I just woke up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. I understood everything.
Are you the same Edgar Perez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 003-228 for the offense of theft of property 2,500 to 30,000 on April 25th, 2025 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about the 22nd day of May 2025 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Edgar Elliot Perez committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, deny the motion, then petition the ISP, follow tap recommendation.
Is that what you're asking the court to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir, if you can raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am. I swear.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Edgar Perez.
All right, why are you not doing well on probation? What's going on?
No, I just been having some family problems. I don't like to make excuses, but I've been having some family problems, but
Well, what's the problem? Because they're saying you're doing, you're committing a new offense.
Yeah, it's just because I've been in the street, man, homeless, and I know, it's my responsibility to do probation, but I'm ready to get it done, man. I've been in jail for a long time.
Why are you homeless? What's going on? I know you're homeless because you don't have a home, but
Yeah.
do you not have any family?
Oh yeah, I have family. Like I said, I have some problem with them, but I don't know, man. It's just I don't want to make excuses. I fucked up and I messed up, and I want to get this probation over with. I don't know if you could give me another chance.
All right, so here are your choices.
If I may, Judge.
Well, just 1 second. Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issue or no?
No, ma'am.
All right, yes, you wanted to say something, counsel?
Judge, the long and short of it is he was homeless at the time. He tells me that he has a place to go to now. And I haven't seen for sure, but I believe some of his family is here, which I believe, is that correct? Some of your family's here?
Yeah.
So
my mom.
Okay, so I believe if he's continued, maybe he'll stay at his mom's house. And
Well,
maybe-
does his mom want him at her home?
I hope so. I don't know.
I don't know,
I
but-
think she's still mad, but I hope so.
Is his mom here?
They might have escorted her to the hall. They might have.
All right. Can somebody check to see if his mom is in the hall? Thank you.
State wouldn't like that violation.
All right.
Of course, we have no problems with that if he's continued.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Can I talk real quick?
Sure.
Yeah, I just want another chance. Last time I was here, I ended up doing 3 months. I did 3 months in county. You know, I'm ready to get this probation over with, you know.
Mhm.
I don't wanna spend my life in jail.
Well, the best way not to spend your life in jail is to abide by the rules and conditions.
Yeah. You know, do things right, you know.
Mhm.
I just want to,
All right, so your mom is not here.
yeah, my mom's not here.
So I'm gonna give you some choices today, because how old are you?
21.
All right, you know yourself better than I know you. Better than your attorney knows you, better than probation knows you. All right, you're on deferred adjudication. That's not a conviction. So if anybody asks you if you've ever been convicted of, this crime, you can honestly say no, because it's not a conviction, it's deferred. If you receive a conviction, then this is conviction of theft. Whether it's a conviction or not, it's still a crime of moral turpitude, which takes you into collateral issues such as it's going to be hard for you to obtain any type of licensing for anything that requires a license. Now, what I can do is I can continue you, or I will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for whatever time that you previously served. So you say you've been in custody for 3 months before, that would go towards your 18-month sentence. Or what I can do is I can continue. I'll deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include a TAP evaluation in custody. And that TAP evaluation is see if you have any drug or alcohol issues. And I think we're gonna have to do a MIC evaluation in custody as well. So which do you prefer?
I would like, you know, the type evaluation. Like I said, I don't like jail, you know, like everybody else, you know.
I don't think anybody likes jail.
Yeah, you know, nobody likes jail, you know. I wanna be outside, you know, doing my thing, getting money, all that.
Getting money how?
Working, you know.
Okay.
Working, legally.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
So I want to do a TAP evaluation and MIC evaluation. That's to be completed in custody. And have you been using any type of drugs in the past?
No, man.
So why did you become homeless, or how far did you go in school?
Well, I ended up dropping out my junior year, but I just have, you know, I'm gonna be honest with you, I just smoke a little marijuana, but I don't have drug problem, man.
All right, do a referral to felony drug court in custody. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. You're going to either obtain your GED or get some type of trade school certificate. And once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Do you have any children?
No, man.
There's going to be proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else you need? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, man.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.